Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the 5th and final day of my formal nail art series. In today's video, I'll show you how to create this simple chevron mani using just a couple of polishes. Anyways, let's get on into the video. As usual, I'm going to start by applying a base coat to all of my nails. On all of my nails except my ring finger, I'm going to apply 2 coats of this gorgeous light pink holographic polish called Cosmic Cutie from the Nails Inc holographic collection. I know in my swatch video I said I needed 3 coats, but on my real nails I only needed 2 coats to reach full opacity. On my ring finger, I'm going to be applying 2 coats of Vintage Tea. I chose this color because I was very impressed with how opaque it was considering it's a pale pink polish. You could totally switch up the colors based on your own preference. Just remember that the polish that you apply as your base color will be the color of the chevron. Before I use the nail vinyls, I'm going to apply 1 layer of a fast drying top coat to my nails and let that dry completely. I'm going to use a strip of What's Up Nails regular chevron tape and apply that directly to my nail using a pair of tweezers. On the nails with Cosmic Cutie as a base, I'm going to apply Vintage Tea on top. As you can see, it's super opaque in just 1 coat. While the polish is still wet, I'm going to immediately remove the nail tape. Because you get cleaner lines if you remove the vinyl while the polish is still wet, I'm going to work 1 nail at a time. On my ring finger, which has Vintage Tea as the base, I'm going to apply 1 coat of Cosmic Cutie on top and immediately remove the nail vinyl. Then I'm going to go in with a brush dipped in acetone to remove any extra polish that got onto my skin. And to finish it all off, I'm going to apply a fast drying top coat to all of my nails. And here's the finished design. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you enjoyed the series as a whole. If you did, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you recreate this design, be sure to tag me on Instagram at caramellogram so I can see. And if you missed my last video or any of the other videos in this series, you can check those out by clicking your screen or the links in the description box below. Anyways, that's all for today and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!